Okay.
Hi everyone, my name is Hatim Shraibi. I'm delighted to be with you guys. I'm the managing director of Spire Advisory Group, a Silicon Valley-based accelerator. And one of the most exciting things about my work is I get to meet and talk with people like Perry and Ali who are with me today. And the reason why I wanted to do this little video is because of some mind-blowing insights I am getting by working with them. So Perry Douglas, who I've known for about a year now, is the CEO of 6AI Technologies, a Toronto-based company, startup, and Ali Bouhouch is the founder of the Good Data Factory, an AI analysis company that's actually quite global. And the reason why I wanted to have this conversation is there's a lot of talk on AI, as you guys know today. I mean, it's the talk of the town. Everyone speaks about AI. But obviously, what's very exciting is when I'm talking to Perry and Ali, what I find truly enlightening is their view of their human-centric view of AI. So, Perry, I would love for you to give the audience a little more insight on this, just so that they know your perspective of where you come from.
Yeah, thanks, Hatim, and it's great to be with you. Well, listen, 6AI is really simple. The AI stands for applied intelligence, and what it is really, a new way of thinking, right? Almost an opposite to what you see with traditional large cap AI. So, what we have here, what we're developing here is a human-centric approach, right? So, 6AI doesn't pursue making AI competitive, surpassing enough, or replacing human intelligence. We don't we don't subscribe to this fantasy world of AGI, artificial general intelligence. So what we do instead is we take an augmenting approach, one that really utilizes generative AI, as an amplifying tool. And for us, if generative AI is used practically, purposefully, and responsibly to augment human intelligence, what it does, it builds human intelligence capacity, capabilities, and ingenuity. So at the end of the day, what we say is AI doesn't make you smarter. It doesn't necessarily make you better. Really, what it is, it's applying your intelligence or applying, artificial intelligence to the value-added tasks that you want to do. And we use it from a thinking perspective to find new insights, essentially to build strategy to help you improve your situation, and then help you to build a strategy for essentially, for winning, in the new digital and global economy. So that's the long and short of it. There's more to it, but that's really the long and short of what 6AI is.
Thank you, Perry. That was, again, very enlightening. And again, what I love about some of the work I do is I get to get people like Perry and Ali together, it's very gratifying to see ideas and processes coming out of this. And Ali, I was going to ask you, how does that translate? The human-centric AI that Perry is talking about in terms of, we talk about the back end, the language models, that whole process. I find what you were saying to me about, the process that you have to go through to have a tool, like Perry saying, not to replace humans, but to empower them and assist them. Can you talk a little more about those language models and what that process is like?
Absolutely. I think the key theme here is collaboration. One of the exciting things and that about this project is I get to collaborate with somebody like Perry, who's got an interesting vision and an approach to solve a real world problem And then I bring the technology experience to actually match that and adjust it, modulate it to specifically what needs to happen. The funny thing is the same collaboration that happens between humans like me and Perry is exactly the model we want to bring of how we approach a human-computer interaction. It needs to be a collaboration. It's not that AI is going to be solving the problem for me. It's AI helping me, collaborating with me to create a superior solution than if I was doing it by myself, or if I've thrown the ball over to AI and tell it to figure it out on its own. And I think that's very exciting. Like Perry was saying, it's a different way of thinking. It's a different way of approaching solving human problems using computer capability. And it's a continuation of a long way of how human beings have used tools to augment all kinds of capabilities. Of course, starting with us augmenting our muscular capabilities with mechanical tools. And now we're at the maturity of tool making, where we have AI being at the pinnacle of computer software. But what really does, like Perry was saying, is augmenting our cognitive capabilities. So for example, we take advantage of the fact that we can have access to a lot more working memory using AI. And that's a weakness that human beings have. But in collaborating with AI, injecting the human ingenuity, insights, creativity, and the compute power that AI has, its ability to process massive amounts of data, its ability to detect patterns that are way what the human eye and the human senses can pick up. Mixing that and being able to do that in a way that's natural for human beings. I really like what Perry was mentioning about a human-centric way of approaching AI. Because what it does is, for the first time, it positions AI in a way where it attempts to actually understand how human beings communicate, including taking an empathic approach so that it can elicit that ingenuine approach of formulating information, get that, and then using the structure that we were talking about of focused language models, structured so that we avoid the traditional problems from large language models like hallucinations. And also just depending on limited amounts of information, being able to inject context-specific information, developing a richer context. And all of this, like you said, Hatim, it requires a number of iterations. And for us, there is no way we can avoid that. So it's not like you bring in this AI solution, you type in a simple prompt, and voila, you get an answer. It's a give and take, and it's a dance. It's a beautiful dance between human and machine, where we wind up creating something powerful and very useful for humans, assisted by AI.
Well, thanks for that great insight.